Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp application. ClickUp is a project management tool that helps individual and team organize their work, collaborate efficiently and boost productivity. Here's the breakdown on how to use or get started with ClickUp app. Sign up to ClickUp first with the free account. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. On the left side of your screen, you can see a sidebar. Here you can see a workspace like department or team, a list and folders. On top bar, you can see search, notification, your profile, settings and plus button for creating new elements. In content area, this is the centered display of the content relevant to your current section. You can work with your tasks, list, document content, or anything that you like. In the space section, you can add up projects. Inside projects, you can add up list, and inside list, you can add up many tasks. This is how you can use up ClickUp application. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.